During your NEET preparation, if you're not sure about the resources or the books that you're supposed to follow, then that might be a very big setback for your NEET preparation. So in this video, I'm going to give you the best books that you're supposed to follow for physics, chemistry and biology. And this is the only books that toppers use to crack NEET examination. So what are you waiting for? Check out the whole video and do purchase this book. And if you have any other doubts, please let me know in the comments. So the best books for physics is going to be disclosed in this video, chemistry as well as biology. These are the only books that you need to buy, students. You do not have to watch multiple videos. I'm going to disclose all the books here. So starting with your most important book, that is going to be your physics NCERT. NCERT is the key. I've already made a video on how to read NCERT. So do not fail to watch that video. In that video, I have told you exactly how you should deal with NCERT, because physics NCERT is way different from biology NCERT. Okay. Now students, starting with the next one about practice and concept based. Lot of books comes into place, but the most recommended books by the toppers are going to be the DC Pandey book. So here, NEET Objective by DC Pandey is one of the most important books that you can have for practicing and for concept plus questions. Okay. Next students, about Tattva book. So many of the students were asking me, ma'am, I have already purchased Tattva book. Should I again invest money on DC Pandey book? It's not required. In Tattva book, you're already going to get latest previous year questions, plus you're going to get 3,000 plus practice questions. So do not invest your money again on another book. If you have Tattva or if you have any of your coaching module, that book is enough. You can replace it with DC Pandey book, because DC Pandey also is for practice. So if the coaching modules have enough practice questions, just stick to that. Okay. Next students, I'm going to tell you one very important thing. What about errorless book? What about MTG book? These are the questions that I have been getting over time, a lot of times. Errorless, NTG Fingertips, or you're 33 years old, all these books are good. If you have any of these books also, it is going to be like a moderate book that is good for practice level questions. Okay. So you do not have to purchase again another book. If you have these books, please do practice from this. Don't invest again money on buying any other new book. All these books are good. All these books are relevant. Now, talking about, let's say a student wants to answer the hard questions, because in 2025 we saw that many students were able to answer 30 questions, but those 15 questions were very hard. For that, you have to go for the Bible of Physics, which is called as Bible of Physics by many teachers down the lane. That is going to be your H.C. Verma book. Many students ask me, ma'am, directly should I jump into H.C. Verma? Not at all. First, do practice question from your coaching module. Do use DC Pandey, NCERT, Tattva, MTG books. Then only come to H.C. Verma, because H.C. Verma has more additional information and the concept knowledge is more deeper in H.C. Verma. So don't do that mistake of starting with H.C. Verma, because then you are going to be solving some difficult questions. So then your confidence is going to break. So start with easy, then go to difficult. So to solve that hard question, I would recommend Concepts of Physics by H.C. Verma. So these are the books that you require for physics. Directly jumping into chemistry, which are the best books for chemistry for all of you. So the best books for chemistry, starting with your NCERT. NCERT is always the best. Now I'll tell you, for physical chemistry students, deal physical chemistry just like physics. Have a formula sheet, read NCERT after that. Second thing about your organic chemistry, I want you to deal it like it's a mix of biology, it's a mix of physics, it's like that, okay, because there are a lot of naming reactions, a lot of things that you have to remember. So you can deal organic chemistry just like similar to that of biology, where you have to memorize a lot of things. Inorganic chemistry, I want you, all of you, to go through the lectures, have a short notes. For inorganic chemistry, short notes is the best thing that you have to follow, okay. Now students, coming to it, so read each line of NCERT for class 11th and class 12th, and questions also you have to practice from NCERT, because a lot of times NCERT questions itself will repeat. Okay. Now coming to the next book, which are the books that you have to use for physical chemistry students? You can use Physical Chemistry book by Tandon and A.S. Singh, and also Narendra Avasthi. Very famous book, Physical Chemistry. So problems you can solve from from Narendra Avasthi book, and for your concept or some specific thing, you can go for your O.P. Tandon book. So here I have written, for better understanding theory, you can go for GRB Physical Chemistry, and for problem solving, you can go for Avasthi. Okay. So this I have already told you before also. Now I'll tell you for organic chemistry. Organic chemistry students, again you can go for GRB Tandon book itself, but for practice, you can go for MS Chauhan book. MS Chauhan book. For these books also you can take your coaching modules as replacements, no problem. But again, little differences will be there. But if you have already had the coaching module, don't invest again money on it. So that is what I want to tell all of you. For practice, see, for practice you can buy books, but just for concept, just for mind maps, don't invest money on books like mind map. There are a lot of books that has mind maps. No, just for that mind maps, don't waste your money. For practice, if you are buying book, it is valid. Okay. Now coming to inorganic chemistry students, most of the teachers, everyone who teaches chemistry always tells that stick to NCERT, stick to making short notes. So here also I want to tell you that NCERT plus short notes is the priority. But if you really want a book, then you can go for VK Jaiswal's book. This book is very good. I have just gone through the reviews and everything, and the book is good. So for practicing problems, you can go through this book. Okay. Now talking about biology. Biology, NCERT is the key. So I would tell just stick to NCERT. For question practice, you can practice PYQs. But if you really want a question practice book, I will also tell that as well. So NCERT is the key. Students, read every line of NCERT. And one of the most important thing that most of you are not doing is making questions from NCERT line by line. That means go through the lines of NCERT and ask yourself why, which, when, what. This way you will be able to frame questions, because last year we saw that NCERT lines had been copy pasted the same way, but many students forgot the NCERT lines. So make sure that you are learning NCERT line by line and reading the book multiple times. Now, if you're a student who is really looking for a book, then I would recommend NCERT at your fingertips, which has been used by many, past many years. Many students have been using MTG books, so you can stick to MTG books. Other than that, for assertion reason also, they have published a book. You can check out that as well. So here you can see MTG objective at fingertips. So NCERT at your fingertips is a good book if you really want to do practice. But if you're a part of the batch or any coaching, don't have to buy any books. They will only provide you with most of the book, e-copies and PDFs and everything. So you can go to that books. Now, biology, ma'am, you're saying that, okay, don't buy any books or, stick to coaching. Then if I have to invest money, what will I invest on? Then please do invest on your, flashcards. Because I'll tell you students, flashcards and mind maps will never go out of trend. Never go out of trend means what? Even when we get 15 minutes of our time, we can use that flashcards and mind map to revise the entire chapter. So flashcards and mind maps are like, your evergreen thing that is going to help you. So if you want to really invest your money, then please do invest on flashcards. We also have our own flashcards. If you want a link about it, you can ask me later in the comments if many of you are planning to buy. Otherwise, any flashcards and any mind maps that you already have, please use it like gold. Anytime you're getting 15 minutes, go through the entire chapter with the help of flashcards and you see how your revision game is going to improve. Because most of you tell me, ma'am, I don't get time to revise. That is because even when we get 15 minutes, we'll be scrolling phone or we read news, right? Like that, only flashcards are going to come into place. Whenever you're getting 15 minutes, 30 minutes or something like that, you feel like, okay, I cannot read a chapter, I cannot read NCERT, but one thing I can do is, I can revise a chapter. That time, flashcards are going to come into help. Before going to every class, I usually use flashcards to just go through the entire chapter. Even though I know the chapter, I still go through it so that I do not miss out on any important point or when, some spellings. So all those things I do. So you can also utilize it. So this video has every book that is spoken about, anywhere. You do not have to buy any more books. If you have these books, well and good. If you have only coaching modules, stick to the coaching module. Later, we will definitely share you PDFs and all of it. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, for your information, I've already made short videos on which are the books. If you're a student who doesn't have that much, concentration span, or you're tending to forget which are the books to buy, go through these videos. This will come under the shorts, okay, shorts category. These all videos will be available. And also check out the channel. Lot of informative videos are there. Every minute on this channel is going to be very useful for a NEET aspirant. So if you're watching me for the first time, quickly subscribe to We Need Tamil Nadu. This channel is helping every single NEET aspirant out there in Tamil Nadu to achieve what they want and to become a better, a doctor and a future doctor, and also save their family from whatever they are going through right now. So quickly do subscribe to We Need Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much, students. I hope this video helps. If it does, please quickly put a lot of hearts in the comment section. And yes, that's it. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.